How to check which Google AdSense account is linked up with YouTube channel. So what we'll do is go in our profile and click on YouTube Studio, and then after clicking on it we'll see a lot of option in the left corner. So we'll simply click on earn or monetization option. So here, after clicking on it, we can simply be able to see our earning, or whichever Google AdSense account is linked up in this account. So as you can see, there's no video in this YouTube channel. So the first thing we need to do is add our videos in our YouTube channel, so that our Google AdSense account will be easily linked up to your YouTube channel. So yeah, that is how we have to link our Google AdSense account.
And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.